All right, folks, it's Bass Action back in action here. In this video, I want to talk about your course options for next year so that you understand what your options are and that you can make a choice that is going to be good for you in terms of long-term math plans. Pre-calculus is the last high school level math class, so every option that you have after this is going to be a college level class. And what you really want to do is you want to take a class that is going to fit whatever it is that you're planning to do in college. So on this chart that you see here, I want you to look at all the options that you have available for you for future classes. You have Calc AB, and we've got a description here for that. This is equivalent to one college level of semester of calculus, and it's going to move at a half pace, half speed, because it'll take the whole year to cover one semester. This is a more theoretical approach. This is typically a class that is probably going to be for future engineers or some type of maybe a math or science major. Calc Survey is often called our business calc. It's an IU class, okay, so it's an ACP full weight versus the Calc AB is an AP class, okay, so this is an IU class, and this is what is considered business calculus. We've got statistics. You'll notice it's a full weight class. That's an AP level. Then we have the statistics block. If you are taking the statistics and capstone research class, this might be the one that you are interested in. Again, also, it's an AP class. Finite, this is really common for non-math majors, non-engineering majors. This is not going to be accepted at Purdue in place of their equivalent course. It will certainly prepare you for the Purdue course, but it will not be accepted for that. This is an IU class. Then we have IB Math. It's an IB full weight, not an AP class, but it is a full weight class. And then quantitative reasoning for students who maybe don't have any future math classes that they want to take, but you do still need to maybe take one your senior year. The best way to decide which of these is the best class for you, because what you don't want to do is just take Calc AB because you qualify for it. You want to take the class that's going to hopefully help take care of your college math requirement. So what I generally suggest students do, and this was an assignment that we had earlier in the semester, and some chose to do it and some did not, but what I generally suggest you do is kind of go through a mental list, write them down of future college majors. You might not be 100% sure, and that's completely okay. Just, list a couple. That way, in case you change your mind, but just some general areas that you think you might want to do. Then think of a couple top choices of where you might go to school. Now, I know some of you have really, really long lists of possible schools, but narrow that down to 2 or 3 and go ahead and hop onto their college websites. And it is a little bit of a treasure hunt sometimes to find it, but kind of dig through that college website, looking for the course requirements. You want to look for the math requirements for whatever majors you're listed in. So you'll typically find that under some type of just course requirements, and it'll list out all the requirements that you need for that particular degree. You want to find what is the math requirement for that degree, and then you want to choose the class from above that would hopefully satisfy that math requirement. That way, by the time you graduate from Carmel High School, you can hopefully have your college math class all done and not have to take any when you get there.